everyone. My name is Pamela Serna. This is my qualitative interview data analysis for Sense of Purpose. Questions analyzed. Number 1, what does the phrase purpose in life mean to you, and what is the purpose? And what is your purpose in life, and how do you describe your purpose in life? These are the names of the data collected from my peers. I use 6 different data from them. Participant background information. Participant A is male, under 30, software developer with 2 years of experience. Participant B is female, 52 years old, and is an educational administrator. Participant C, female, 31, 6th grade teacher. Participant D is female, 30 years old, school psychologist with 4 years of experience. Participant E is female, 35, teacher, 6 years of experience. And participant F is female, 23, teacher, 1st year. What does the phrase purpose in life mean to you? Some things that I noticed were accomplishing goals and serving others. Some categories would be goals and emotions. For goals and passion is education, career, and family. A lot of them described the importance of family, career, and education, and also mentioned some common themes of wanting to persevere and have and grow through all of these codes. For emotion, is a lot of wanting to be happy, empowering others, inspire, and motivate were some of the commonalities throughout the 6 participants. Summary of findings. For question 1, what does the phrase purpose in life mean to you? Through my qualitative analysis, it was evident that each participant had a different interpretation of the phrase purpose in life. Although they were different, they were in ways similar. All had a strong sense of passion towards goals and emotions, and they had a strong drive to complete and achieve their goals and purpose in life. Some of the participants, participant B, stated, I think it means being connected to what it is that we're trying to accomplish in life. Participant C, their thoughts were, sense of purpose is kind of like your, I guess you can say, kind of your reason of living and sense of purpose. It isn't the only reason you're living, but it brings some form of meaning to your life. Those connections that they made, sense of purpose is not only the reason you're living, but it gives you a reason to live and move forward and desire to do much more. For question 2, what is your purpose in life? A common theme throughout the 6 participants were serving and helping others, being able to help others and make positive impacts. Some categories were building strong relationships and being fulfilled. A lot mention making connections with their students and making impact and support, and being self-fulfilled with happiness, empowerment, and the rewarding impact that they make. A lot of the participants liked and enjoyed to make a difference in others around them, so that was very evident throughout the study. Summary of findings for question 2. What would you describe as your purpose in life? In the summary of this qualitative data analysis, it is evident that when asked, what would you describe as your purpose in life, they had great desire to make a difference on those around them. They found it rewarding to serve others and help them. They have strong desire to fulfill their goals and grow professionally. Participant D stated, my purpose is what I believe is the purpose of life, so making myself happy. So for me, that is helping others, specifically students. They're fulfilling their happiness through helping others. Participant F states, I think the purpose in life that I have professionally would be helping children grow into who they want to be, letting them know they're not limited by their circumstances, whether they're socially, emotionally, or physically. Conclusion, overall, the data demonstrates that sense of purpose is driven by many factors. It also shows their strive to continue finding their purpose in life. The data concluded the power of making positive impacts in relationships and making changes. Thank you.